If you are having a grade 6 male pattern baldness and you tried to reach out to few clinics to do your hair transplant and they refused your hair transplant saying that the grade is high, or if you saw that any of your friends got a hair transplant done in grade 6 or grade 7 and did not get good results, if you are feeling a bit annoyed or sort of hopeless about your situation, then this video is made out for you, because in this video we are going to discuss how transformative a hair transplant can be in a grade 6 male pattern baldness, especially if planned and executed flawlessly. So please do keep on watching this video. Also, if you want to see more content about your hair loss problems or hair transplant, we request you to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, before we actually show you how we planned out this case or a hair transplant, let us listen to what the patient himself has to say about his hair transplant and his hair loss journey.
Hello, my name is Dr. Karthik Singhal. I'm 31-year-old male. I was suffering from male pattern baldness for past 5-6 years. I have been taking conservative management from wherever it was possible, but did not get any satisfactory results. My hair fall was day by day increasing, whereby it was leading to loss of confidence. So I came to know about Saraswat Hospital. Then I met Dr. Saraswat here. Then he counseled me about the disease, the illness and the pattern of my hair fall. He told me about the number of grafts that it will be required. Through all the scientific calculations with thorough counseling, I chose to opt for hair transplant. Today, after almost an year, this is the result that I have. The procedure was done in 2 sittings. It was uneventful, almost painless. Doctors and staffs are very cooperative.
I am Dr. Satya Saraswat, a gold medalist plastic and cosmetic surgeon, and in this field of hair restoration for around 2 decades, and also an active member and a diplomat of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery as well as International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery. If you are planning a hair transplant for yourself, please mention in the comment section below. So you just listen to what this patient said. In this video, in the end, we are going to show how his natural combing of the transplanted hairs looks. It looks absolutely natural. The density also looks very good, and even the donor site looks unharvested even after a lot of grafts been taken out in this patient. So please keep on watching this video. Now, as is customary, we did a trichoscopy for Dr. Karthik and we found out that his donor area was amazing. Very few patients we see a donor area like in his case. We found out that his average density of the grafts or the follicular units in the donor site was around 85 follicular units per centimeter square. Average thickness was more than 0.07 millimeter, which is very good. His average thickness was more than 2.1, which is again on the very higher side. Coverage value was amazing. Then we did his donor area graft calculation. How many grafts are there? In his case, we found out that he had more than 14,000 follicular units available in his donor site, which was again very gladdening for us. We were very happy to find out the total number of grafts availability. Then we marked his hairline and we calculated the total area in the recipient size. We divided the recipient area into 3 parts: the front, the mid scalp and the crown. We found out that his front recipient area, the 2 triangles which are seen in the picture, were around 45 centimeters square. So we planned a density of around 40 follicular units per centimeter square for that area. For the mid scalp, we planned a density of 35 follicular units per centimeter square, and for the crown, we did a lower density, 25 follicular units per centimeter square. Then we planned a surgery for him after doing all the blood tests, ECG, sensitivity test and everything. We gave local anesthesia, made the required number of slits and extracted the required number of grafts in 2 sittings, as the patient himself said. We took out the grafts in batches and then inserted it, gave a break. Total number of 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair and 4 hair grafts which were used in his case, and total number of grafts, total number of hairs and everything, the entire data can be seen on the screen here for your information. Later on, after the procedure, he used to come regularly for the follow-ups and followed all the instructions which were given to him. We did PRP for him and were regularly following his progress, and we found out that he had an amazing result at 9 months when he came out and gave this his own feedback or the testimonial to us. If you are also planning a hair transplant for yourself, we request you to call us on the numbers given here, and our team will try to reach out to you and set up an online consultation. If you're from faraway place or if you're from nearby area, then you're most welcome for any consultation. If you want to know how your probable hair transplant results will look like, you can download our Saraswat Hospital app and take use of the PeekAI feature where you can see the kind of result you can have after your hair transplant. This is an AI tool and is based on last 3,000 cases of hair transplant done at our center in last 15-16 years, and quite accurate, but it has its own limitations. So you can download this app, and just for even for funds or your information, you can do this. It is absolutely free for everyone. Now let us see how his combing looks like in the front and the back, and you will see the kind of natural results in this case. So see how natural the results are looking. We request you to share this video with anyone who is looking out for an advanced grade baldness and a hair transplant for this, so that they can be helped out and get more information about how a doctor or a hair transplant surgeon plans out a hair transplant in advanced grades. If you want to know the cost of hair transplant, please click the video on the left, and if you want to know grade wise treatment for your hair loss, please click the video on the right.